So ladies and gentlemen, I have made it to California. The weather out here is perfect. Everything seems to be perfect out here in terms of the ambiance, the energy, and there's no better place to capture this energy than at the Petersen Automotive Museum, seeing some of the best cars, including this Hurley Haywood 911 that raced in period. And it is, in the background, if you see a guy with a cowboy hat, that is Bruce Meyer. He's got an insane collection. The interior is flawless. Ladies and gentlemen, I am at the Petersen Automotive Museum, and I don't even know where to begin in terms of identifying some of the best cars in the world. These are the F-body cars that I am going crazy over because these cars are insanely beautiful. And this color right here, this aubergine, definitely caught my eye in terms of presence, classiness, and pure good looks. 100% perfect. And this Irish 912. The thing I love about the 911 is the continuity of all the cars in terms of its design period. You look at all these cars, you would think they were all similar, although you know that there's a discrepancy within the age. Some cars are much older than others, and some cars, this is just gorgeous, wow. The different colors that you see across this parking lot at the top of the Petersen are amazing, but I don't think there's a better quartet of color combinations than these. It's not only the cars that are pristinely restored that are on display. You have these completely original 356s that have just as much charm and just as much character as a car that is perfectly restored. That's a beautiful 911. I'm gonna go take a look at that. Great wheel choice too. Just so many cool cars everywhere. And I have to give a shout out to my friends at P-Car Market. They're here somewhere in this lot at the Petersen. Page and Wilson Tang. I think this is an arena red. The wheel color is insane. The three-piece wheels, the ducktail. A lot of great choices were made on this Carrera. And in this Carrera 4S, with the BBS wheels. Yes. Daniel Arsham's type of car. Wow. So, you know what's crazy? The car I went to see Brett Sloan about was this color. It looked identical to this. Because this matched my old Mercedes perfectly. You know, I still want this blue. This is the Lumberg car. And this car without a sunroof, you think I'm gonna ignore it? No way. This is a nice, beautiful turbo with a tartan interior. I don't know, just an inclination. It's a great tire choice. I'm really stuck on this SC with the sugar scoop headlights. And the competition wheels on this. Let's go listen to another car. That 911 is amazing. It's like a magenta. Wow. DuckTales. I really do love this 356. Beautiful. And I love that this has been off-roaded. But this is definitely something that I've never seen before in my life. I'm not gonna attempt to pronounce what this says, but this is a Porsche 914 Marine Helio. But it is the 914 interior. But it has been coach built. meaning that they have taken the body off a 914 and made this, which this looks really incredible. And I love that it has a 914.6, meaning it has something that is derived off the 911T engine. And that is the wooden buck. Oh, Paul Brock, the guy who designed a lot of BMWs and Mercedes in period, is a designer to this. So I could see a lot of the early 1980s Mercedes design language within this car. And I love the little car model right above it. Definitely a car that makes you happy.
Yes. Yes.
All right, I got a bunch.
There's a cool angle this way too.
Oh, this way?
Yeah.
Let's see this. Oh yeah, perfect. Awesome.
Just giving out pictures like that. Can I get one too? Sure. Thank you. Please.
Can't see tomorrow. Did you get it into the museum at all?
Yeah, I'm gonna get to go inside.
Good. You'll love it.
I know, right? That's how you ask you don't get, right?
Right? No, of course.
Hi, I'm Joshua.
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
I go by Jamaican Josh.
Jamaican Josh. On Instagram or just in real life?
I'm Jamaican on Instagram. I go.
Oh.
So anyone.
I'm Swaggles on Instagram.
Swaggles?
Yeah, with 3 G's.
SWAGGG.
LES.
Boom.
Nice to meet you.
You too, Swaggles.
Enjoy. My pleasure. Yeah.
It's a pleasure, Joshua.
Alex.
Alex.
Good to meet
Yeah,
you.
man. We'll be friends in the future.